Wignochiva yose 90 million US dollar Trabablas Interchange mocked over fragile misaligned bridgework. Sana pena mashoko panguva ino tirikuona kuti aiwa the Trabablas Interchange panguva ino iri kusekwa nevanhu zvakanyanyisa. Vachisaka Wignochivayo ndo pari kuti pakabuda 90 million iri apa. Vari kuona kuti the bridgework panguva ino yakatosveya apa. The bridges are not aligning. Panguva ino even maroads nasi kuona kuti foundation yeroad pari kutangira road pari kuwazika nyangwe nemota even inenge iri heavy ikangosvika ikoko inosvedza ndoti ikatoparara ndoti wasubscribe wala iko taombe bell icon. Saka muri kuona mapictures umu nopinda muna mobuda nepamuchenzi the long hyped Trabablas Interchange, a flagship infrastructure project heavily promoted by businessmen Wignochivayo and the Mnangagwa administration, has sparked public outrage after new images revealed serious misalignment in the structural oddities in the unfinished bridges, prompting critics to label it a monument to incompetence. The viral photos first posted by Honorable Job Scholar on X exposed a glaring geometrical error on one of the key overpasses, where two bridge segments appear significantly misaligned, raising red flags about both design integrity and construction oversight. The outspoken former MP captioned the image, "Hakuna bridge rakadai. Inema, there's no such thing as a bridge like this. Lies." The revelation triggered a heated online debate, with the citizens questioning how such a basic flaw could go unnoticed in a project that has already burned through over 90 million US dollars in public and donor funds. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanhu vari kukweshana vachiti Wignochivayo panguva ino are you serious kuti apo you spend 90 million to build that Trabablas Interchange just because aiwa misalignment aripo apo kapo mvura ikanyatsokuuya heavy rain chaiyo chaiyo unozoti Trabablas hakusina. Mburidza mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tiona even vanasikala vari kutoramba vachiti hakuna bridge rakadai. Pinda kuma section yedu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.